at Salley today, and this is the trucks that are here to put our well in. There are some sections that they marked in the sand. So these are the guys that are drilling for us. Let's come through the field over here and kind of take a look. There's all the PVC. Anything special just for well water to get pumped up. But come over here. I have no clue what that's for. So those are this little section here they mark. And they left their sand and concrete here. And the water barrels, I guess, to mix. Because they'll have to put the lines. And this is the second section for the well. Between the two houses, so each house gets its own little bell. It's coming along just fine. No, I didn't change the voice thing on here to make me sound like that. Because I can kind of sound like anything I want to do. And I do talk like that when I talk to my kitty cats. So we're going to do some work here in the southern house. This week we should get the skirting, the water lines all hooked up. And the whole front porch of this house is going to be ready first before that house. Because then I'm going to paint the whole outside of this house pure white. The porch is going to be white. Everything's white. But the gutters are going to be green. So we're going to take down gutters. And just take them home and spray paint them green. You know what? We might be able to take down the gutters today too. Or I can. You know, once my battery wears out. We're cutting sheet metal. And so that is it for now. So I'll get back to you later. Now we have like 50 more of these to go. That's the fun part. When you have all these ideas, then you gotta make it come true.
Yeah. Cutting blade. More like grinding wheels.
I can smell that.
Yeah.
I wonder how long each blade will last until it gets
Find out.
until it gets small. What we're doing is all of these metal sheets that we bought, they are going to go into our rustic house. We are cutting them in 28-inch sheets. That's what Steve's doing. That's what she said. Yeah, filming. These are our sheets over here. Taking the short ones and we're measuring 28 inches. Those are going to go into our catio. All of these are going to go into our rustic house. It's going to be fun. So I got to get back to marking some more, cutting some more, going from there. All right.